Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button for your boy so we can get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go. I'm trying to get that YouTube money. Stop playing with me.
Do it! Just
Not clickbait. I just literally tried to get online and I'll show you guys. So I open up the app, just goes, your account has been deactivated.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Man, DoorDash is trash, dog. I swear to God. They got to be the worst app out of all these gig delivery apps. Man, I'm sitting here editing my video, doing my thing, and I see this. Man, I see this crap. They done deactivated Nova Dasher. Like, what the hell? How you gonna deactivate Nova? First of all, Nova don't bother nobody. He do everything by the book. So for y'all to do that, that's just ridiculous, man. Like, if it was ever a time, now is the time like to boycott DoorDash. Look at this. They done deactivated bro, man. Head over to his channel and show him some support and let him know that Trader sent you, man. Look at this, man. This is what I'm saying. Like the comments, they going crazy because they know this is uncalled for. Look, bro got some merch. It's a banger. Like, look at this. He straight been getting DoorDash all money, supporting them, you know what I'm saying, showing drivers how to do it, and they gonna sit up here and deactivate, bro. Like, that is crazy. When I first got started, Nova is the one who helped me get over that 1,000 subscriber mark, and he really showed me the way how to like produce content on a daily basis. Like, I looked at his channel, Pedro's, and a few others to get inspiration of how I wanted to really get my channel together.
They gotta tell you why they deactivated you. Apparently not.
And to see this happen, it really makes me sad because like, bro, he don't do nothing wrong.
You can provide details and relevant information for us to review. Now, that's kind of weird. What am I supposed to provide if you're not telling me what I did wrong, right?
He is strictly by the book when it comes to his deliveries. Like, he don't be playing around. He be out there bright and early. So like, this is just crazy to me. Like, I'm really pissed off because I already knew DoorDash didn't give a damn about us. But just to see this happen to one of my fellow Dashers and fellow content creators, it really shows me like, bruh, DoorDash don't care about nothing but this right here. This is all they care about.
Your current balance will not be paid out as outlined per the independent contractor agreement, whatever.
And the moment you start making too much money and they feel like they paying you too much, they gonna get rid of you. I mean, it's straight crazy. Like, I'm hella mad for real, to be honest with you. Like, I'm straight pissed. Look, I know this ain't the end of the world, but like, I just had to make this video real quick because I want this to get as many eyes on it as possible. I want all the 7,000 people that subscribe to my channel, head on over to Nova channel, show them some love, show them some support, and let them know that Trader sent you. Look, I'm gonna put that video link in the description so you can go over and watch the full video and get the full breakdown of what exactly happened and, you know, a little more details. Even though they was being super vague, he can at least give you more details because I ain't want to straight up just play his video because he need to get his views and his watch hour and his ad revenue off his own video. But I had to make sure I say something, man, because this is crazy. This is literally crazy. So look, all my new Dashers out there, beware, because this can happen to you. You may think shit is sweet. You out there doing your deliveries, you know what I'm saying? You got your hot bag, you ready to go. Boom, your ass deactivated the next morning. Now what the hell you gonna do? You sitting up there, you done made all your money with DoorDash. Now you sitting up there crying in the corner because you don't know what to do. You know, you twiddling your thumbs, trying to see if you can sign up for Spark, trying to see if you can sign up for Grubhub and all this. Look, don't wait until you get deactivated, okay? Do this before this happened to you because you don't want to be in a position where you ain't making no money. All the Dashers out here, all the drivers out here stealing orders and scratching their butt, and you got drivers confronting no-tip customers like me, and you got drivers confronting customers who give them contract violations. You gonna deactivate Nova? 21,000 deliveries? Come on, man, stop playing with me, bro. See, this is the shit that makes me mad because look, you got good drivers out there and good Dashers who actually make it better for DoorDash. They actually give DoorDash a good name out there doing their thing. And then they sit up here and gotta deal with stuff like this. My man's got 21,000 deliveries under his belt. And this shows you how much DoorDash care about you. None. They don't care at all. They don't give a damn if you got 2,000 deliveries, 10,000, 20,000 like my man, sir. Or you can be a brand new Dasher who just hopped off the porch. They don't care. You have no job security when it comes to DoorDash. This is why I stress, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Multi-app. Now Nova, he gonna be okay. He multi-app, he know what's up. He got him some Grubhub, some Uber, some point pickup, but it's still besides the point, man. He had a large order program on this account. Now, if he is able to get this account back, That's cool, but look at all the headache he had having to go through. Look at all the potential orders he may miss. And let's just say he do get this resolved and they give him a whole new account. Well, now they done knocked him off of LOP and now they making room for somebody else. This is DoorDash's tactic to get rid of all of us full-timers, I'm trying to tell you. This is why I highly stress that, look, you bet on yourself and you invest in some alternative ways to make money. Because just like Nova got deactivated, just like I got deactivated, just like Bud Soda got deactivated, just like Van been deactivated, you can be deactivated at any time, for any reason. And look, they ain't even give bro an explanation. In the video, he say, in the email they sent them, they gave a vague ass explanation. Like, if you watch any of Nova videos, you know that he do his shit by the book. Bro will hit you with a 20, 30-minute ride along like it ain't nothing. So you see everything he doing, man. This is why I don't understand how DoorDash can get away with doing stuff like this, because we sit up here and give our all, you know what I'm saying? Actually treat it like it's a W-2, or treat it like it's a job that you can be, you know what I'm saying, have some respect and feel good about yourself. And then they turn around and do stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, he probably thought he was good, waking up, turning on the app, everything cool. Boom, now he got to change up his whole game plan. Now, luckily, he got a game plan, you know what I'm saying? But still, though, it's just a simple fact that when you have a valuable, you know what I'm saying, independent contractor, they don't value you. No matter how many deliveries you got, no matter how good your customer rating is, no matter how good your customer service skills is, no matter how many times you use that hot bag, none of that stuff matter, because DoorDash can deactivate you at any time, and they don't have to give you no reason or nothing. And now you got to go through fighting all these, you know what I'm saying, jump through all these hoops and doing all this stuff to try to get your account back, while in the meantime, you got a brand new Dasher who not using their hot bag and they going to grab your catering order. You know what I'm saying? Now, how is that right? Come on, man.
Now, we've been with DoorDash since the beginning of 2019.